But before, I think
China and the China virus, they have to pay reparations. We've been hurt so badly in terms of death, human life, and in terms of monetarily, to a level that they have to pay us. And frankly, if they paid us $10 trillion, that wouldn't cover it. But they really have to pay the world, because this has started in the world. The entire world has been not only disrupted, but it's almost been destroyed.
Well, I'll tell you,
The vaccine's big deal. That's a really big deal. And then we bought billions of dollars before we knew it even worked. Otherwise, you wouldn't have had the vaccine till October of this year. So nobody, all of the people that have been able to get their shots, nobody would have had it yet. But remember, it's also about freedom, so it's your choice.
My family divorced when I was 7 years old, and I think it's...
Blue state lockdowns didn't work. They were a disaster. You look at New York, you look at California, you look at Illinois, you look at the blue states run by governors of a certain party called the Democrat Party. They didn't work. They were a disaster. And then you look at Texas and Florida and all of our great representatives and governors that have done such a great job. The schools have to be opened. We've been saying that for a year. Open up the schools. And our border security programs were vitally important and successful. All Biden had to do, all he had to do is just leave it alone. So we went from the most successful, the safest border in the history of our country, think of that, to the worst and most dangerous border. And it's not just people coming in. Frankly, in many ways, that's the least of it.
My pillow was just a little blip on the radar, and I was down.
So we have people coming in. I just saw a report where Sweden is doing very bad on crime. Germany is doing very bad on crime. These used to be the safest countries in Europe, and now they're becoming very unsafe. One of the most unsafe countries is Sweden. You know why? They're letting in people into their country that are causing tremendous disruption. Well, we're letting in people at a level that Sweden never even could imagine.